Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Gary's Cooking. See, at the moment, I'm holding some lettuce and some cucumber. That's mixed lettuce and chopped cucumber. And over here, this is pasta, like ravioli and sauce. I think it's Dolmio sauce. Let's have a look what sauce it is. This is the Dolmio low-fat sauce. But you don't have to cook with low-fat sauce. You can cook any one you want. And let's just get the pasta that I used. So the pasta that I used is that one. But then again, you can choose any one you want. No preferences to this one. So what I did then, I put it on the stove. I put the what's it bloody thing called? This is chicken and pancetta tortellini. Right. So I put the tortellini in some water. Then I let it boil. Then the pasta in its stage will slightly get bigger. So the pasta will slightly increase in size. So when you get to that big stage and the water's boiling quite rapidly and it's done, something that I did is add in the Dolmio sauce. Well, drain the pasta first. And then put that into a drainer, drain that off, prepare my veg, salad, prepare my salad, and then I put the sauce in the pasta. So then all I've got to do then is turn it off, as you can see, voila. Get a spoon, like so, and put it on my plate. Probably won't want all this. I can always come back for some later. I think that's a generous portion. Put that back on the stove. There, like that. That's a nice generous portion. So there we have it. Voila! Thanks for watching Lord Gary Dan Does Cooking.